Do you know many people are having trouble with removing the dryer door? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Remove outer packaging. Step 1. Start by removing the outer packaging, including the polystyrene packer and plastic wrapping. Step 2. Tilt dryer backwards. Step 2. Gently tilt the dryer backwards and walks it off the base 1 foot at a time. Step 3. Remove drum packaging. Step 3. Remove all packaging and accessories from inside the drum, including protective covers. Step 4. Unplug the dryer. Step 4. Make sure the dryer is unplugged from the power supply. Step 5. Release door hinges. Step 5. Locate the door hinges and release them carefully. Step 6. Detach the door. Step 6. Carefully lift and detach the door from the dryer. Follow these steps and you'll easily remove the door of your Fisher Paykel DE7060G2 Dryer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Fisher Paykel users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.